Amaravati into the picture, how is it going to affect Hyderabad? Really?
Yes. So when Amaravati came into the picture, it has created curiosity in real estate market. Comparatively with Amaravati, Hyderabad, the pulse of city. It is not only Hyderabad city, cinema city, IT city, and pharma city, and fourth city. It is all about future city. Future city can compete with the Amaravati. There is no doubt at all. Because Hyderabad has a strong history, vibrant culture, and strong economic growth and quality of life, and well development and connectivity also. For Amaravati, it may take 20-25 years to develop as a Hyderabad. For Hyderabad, after 20 years, competition not with Amaravati. When the regional ring road is completed, so not only the India, we are competing with the New York City and London and Paris and Tokyo, not with the Amaravati. The entire world looking at Hyderabad. American presidents also investing almost 3,500 crores in Hyderabad. Even if you search in Google, what is the best place to invest in India? Your search ends at Hyderabad. As per many surveys, Hyderabad is always smart choice for real estate investment. Do invest in Hyderabad.